Much of what we know about motion comes from the scientists who lived hundreds of years ago. They conducted tests on moving objects and tried to figure out the science behind the motion of an object. One of those pioneers was Galileo Galilei. Let's learn about his experiments on motion in detail. It was Galileo who deduced that objects move with a constant speed when no force acts on them. First, he observed the motion of objects on an inclined plane. He concluded that when objects move down on an inclined plane, their speed increases. When objects move up on an inclined plane, their speed decreases. Galileo then asked himself what would happen if the planes were inclined neither up nor down. That is what would happen if a ball moved on a flat surface. The answer was obvious. Its speed would remain constant. But why would the speed of the ball moving on a horizontal surface decrease and finally become zero? Second, if the ball is allowed to roll down on a frictionless curved surface from point A at a height h, then it will go up to point B on the other side to the same height h. It must have moved the same distance on both sides of point O. In the third experiment, the curved surface had an asymmetrical shape. This time, the ball would reach the same height h on the other side, but it would have to travel more distance from O to reach height h on the right side. Fourth, when the ball was allowed to roll, it covered a larger distance on the right side of point O. Let's summarize. We learned about some conclusions made by Galileo after many experiments. He concluded that the speed of a body increases when it comes down the inclined plane and decreases when it moves up the inclined plane. It was obvious to him that if the planes were inclined neither up nor down, then the speed of the body would remain constant. Galileo made many amazing discoveries in physics. One of such discoveries inspired Isaac Newton to formulate one of the most fundamental laws of physics. Stay tuned to find out.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.